Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Verity stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, and the double crochet V-stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 3. I have already made 24 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. Make 1 chain, skip 1 chain. Into the next chain, make a single crochet. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. You're now going to skip 2 chains, and into the next one make a single crochet. Make 3 chains, skip 2 chains, into the next chain make a single crochet. Make 3 chains, skip 2 chains, into the next one make a single crochet. And you're going to repeat this sequence until you have 2 chains left in your row. Now that I have 2 chains left in my row, I'm going to make it match the beginning of my row. You're going to make 1 chain, skip 1 chain, into the last chain of your row, make a single crochet. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 3 chains. You're going to skip the first single crochet and this chain 1 space. We're going to be working into this next single crochet, and you're going to make a double crochet V into this single crochet. So that's a double, chain, double, all into that same single crochet. You're going to skip this chain 3 space and work into the next single crochet, making a double crochet V into that single. Then same thing, skip the next space, working into this single crochet, make a double crochet V. And you're going to repeat this until you reach the last stitch of your row. So you can see, like we had at the beginning of our row, we have that chain and then a single crochet. So we have a chain and our last stitch now. You're going to skip over this chain space into this last stitch of your row. You're going to make 1 double crochet by itself. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch of your row, make 1 single crochet. then make 1 chain. Into your first previous double crochet V, make a single crochet. Then make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Skip over to your next double crochet V and make a single crochet. Make 3 chains. Skip to your next double crochet V and make skip to your next double crochet V and make a single crochet. Make 3 chains. Skip to your next double crochet V, make a single crochet. Make 3 chains. Skip to your next double crochet V and make a single crochet. Make 3 chains. Skip to your next double crochet V and make a single crochet. Make 3 chains. Skip to the last double crochet V and make a single crochet. You're then going to make 1 chain, and then into the tops of your previous turning chains to end your row, you're going to make 1 single crochet. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the Verity stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.